Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another video. You might recognize this food from last night or a couple nights ago or whatever. But I'm showing you guys what we're having for dinner tonight, and it's featuring leftovers. So I made this chili in the Instant Pot yesterday, and I'm just actually warming it up in the pan right now, or the pot, whatever. And getting it nice and warm so we can have it again tonight, because you know that's how it is. You don't really want to cook every day, you know, it's a lot of work. But I'm just warming this up, and I'm actually going to change it up a little bit. Yesterday we had like chili and cornbread, you know, all that type of stuff. But tonight we're going to have chili, and we're going to have some baked potatoes. So I don't know if you ever been to Wendy's and I'm gonna put them I'm gonna do the potatoes in my Instant Pot. Now I never have made potatoes in the Instant Pot, but everyone says you can do baked potatoes in the Instant Pot, and you know, baked potatoes in the oven take a while. So I'm gonna try it out, and you know, I feel like it's more healthier in the Instant Pot than the microwave. So we're gonna try that out, and yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're at the baked potato part. So what I'm actually gonna do, I have my Instant Pot cut on. This is my first time doing this. For some reason, yeah, my Instant Pot got warm, but anyway, I poured a cup of water in, and you're supposed to use this attachment. It came, it actually comes with your Instant Pot, this right here. You're gonna put it inside so the potatoes don't touch, and then yeah, you're gonna do that, and I'll be back. I've already washed my potatoes, but I'm gonna prick them with this fork really quick. So you just want to, you know, stab the potatoes a little before you put them in there, so I guess it can release pressure, and then you just do that. So I'm gonna do all of these potatoes like that. I have a few. I think I have like, these aren't very big. I have a couple big ones, but I got the little ones for my kids, so that, you know, they don't have too much. And then I got a few extra for like lunch tomorrow, in case we want to have this for lunch. So I'm going to finish all these, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have all my potatoes in, as you can see. So we're just going to set the timer. So I'm gonna hit pressure cook. Oh, my lid. Okay, let me grab my lid. Or whatever. Okay. So a lot of people don't have manual. A lot of people say they don't have manual. Oh, so let me cancel this because it just said itself. So we're gonna hit pressure cook. So if you don't have a manual button, like you see, I don't have a manual. You just hit pressure cook, and then make sure it's on high, and you can just go like this. You hit the plus sign. And then that's how you manually change it. So we're gonna set it to 14 minutes. Okay, and then we're gonna make sure it is on sealing mode. Sorry if that wasn't focused enough. And then it's gonna say on, it's gonna come up to pressure, and then we'll be back when it's done. Okay guys, so my baked potatoes have finished. They've been, you know, I'm letting the pressure seal out slowly on its own. That's what they said, you have to let it do that for up to 10 minutes. So when it hits 10, then you can, you know, let the rest of the pressure out, and basically they'll be ready to go. So I'll show you what they look like when I take off the lid and everything. Alright guys, so I'm gonna vent the rest of this. Oh, not much left, really. It's a little over 10, but that's fine. Probably the longer the better. But I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna show you what they look. Okay, these look done. They're already, I don't know if you can see it, they're like ripping apart. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, look at that. Boom. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but these potatoes, look at this. Can you see that? They're like about to pop open, and they look good. So I'm gonna serve these up with my chili, just like Wendy's does, and show you guys what that looks like. All right guys, so show you this potato. It's pretty good. I don't want to break it up too much, but you can see it's just falling apart. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. Oops, my bad. Okay, so yeah, this guy is just done. He's gone. All right, so we're just gonna, you gotta eat it. Still a potato. This is my husband's plate anyway. So I'm just gonna throw some chili in there. Oops, oh well, he's not gonna be able to tell. Let's do a lot of chili. Oops, sorry, I kind of moved it. It's like a chili. Then I'm gonna throw some cheese on it. If you have green onions, you could add that on it, but I don't have green onions, so I'm gonna throw some cheese and stuff, and then we're gonna do some sour cream or whatnot. Let me get that open. Let's see. So, oh, I'm one-handing it right now. Okay. All right, he can add more if he wants more, because that's like a sad amount of sour cream. Okay. So I got some veggies, some fresh veggies, some carrots and cucumbers we're gonna put with that. And this is it, our loaded chili baked potato. So give this a try, you guys. If you have chili left over and you don't know what to do with it, give this a try. All right, see you guys in my next one. Bye.